Hey guys, how's it going? And in this video, I want to describe how to use the distributive property to solve a problem that's in this form. Now, you're probably looking at this problem and you're saying, well, this doesn't have much to do with the distributive property at all. But you'd be wrong, because actually it has everything to do with the distributive property. Now, let me write down a very simple problem here. Now, in my last video, I described how to solve this problem here. And if you remember, the answer is just going to be 5x plus 5. Very simply, I take this term here, I multiply it by that term to get 5x. And then I take this term here, and I multiply it by the 1 to get 5. So I get 5x plus 5. Now, you're probably not seeing very much similarity between this problem here and this problem here, because they're really not in the same format, it would seem. But you should look at it like this. Right here I have a 5, and I'm multiplying it by each of the terms in the parentheses. Well, right here I have an x plus 1. I'm going to be multiplying it by each term in the parentheses. So right here I have something in a circle multiplied by the x, something in the circle multiplied by the 1. In this problem I have something in the circle multiplied by the x, and something in the circle multiplied by the 3. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. If we take what's in the circle, x plus 1, and we multiply it by the x, we're going to get x plus 1 times x. Now, just as we took this 5 and multiplied it by that first term, we took this right here and multiplied it by this first term. Just as we take the 5 in this problem, multiply it by this term, we're going to take this and multiply it by the second term. So it's going to be plus x plus 1 times the 3. Now we've essentially broken this one problem down into two problems. But we know how to do these two problems because it's nothing more than the very basic distributive property. So we're going to take this x plus 1 multiplied by an x. So it's going to be x squared plus x. It's just going to be that x times this x squared. This x times the 1 is going to be x. Plus this 3 times the x, 3x. This 3 times the 1, plus 3. Now we combine our like terms. The 3x and the x is going to be 4x plus 3 plus the x squared. And that's going to be the answer. The answer to this multiplied out is going to be x squared plus the 4x plus 3. So what I really want to show you in this video is the similarities between the very simple distributive property and this problem here. As you can see, that they're identical, in fact. Right here, we just have this 5 multiplied by each term in the parentheses. And right here, we actually have this x plus 1 that we're going to be multiplying by each term in the parentheses. Alright, thank you guys. In my next video, I'm going to extend this concept right here to multiply any number of terms in parentheses. Thanks so much.